In today's lesson, we are going to learn some powerful and interesting vocabulary words that you can use to describe someone's personality. Whether you are talking about a friend, writing an essay, or speaking in an interview, these words will really help you to express you more naturally and clearly. So grab a notebook, stay with me till the end, and let's upgrade your English together. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Unfair Talks for more easy and practical English lessons every day. So, the first word that I have brought for you is loner. Loner is a person who likes to stay alone, a person who prefers to be alone and does not socialize much. So example, he is a bit of a loner. He enjoys reading alone rather than going out. के मतलब उसको रीडिंग करना ज़्यादा पसंद है बजाय इसके कि बाहर जाना या सोशलाइज करना. So loner is the person who prefers to stay alone. The next word that I have for you is jack of all trades. Jack of all trades एक ऐसे person को कहा जाता है who likes to do many things but expert in nothing. Jack of all trades is as a type of person who can do different things but is expert in nothing. So ऐसा शख्स जो किसी भी काम में expert ना हो but हर काम को करना चाहता हो, so he can easily fit in every situation. So the example is she is a jack of all trades. She cooks, paints, fixes things and runs a business. Worrywart. Worrywart एक ऐसे शख्स को कहेंगे a type of person who remains upset at all times, who likes to take tensed each and every moment about each and everything. किसी भी चीज़ पर किसी भी छोटी सी बात पर upset हो जाने वाले इंसान को worrywart कहते हैं. So the example is my mom is a really worrywart. She calls me 10 times if I am late. The next amazing word that I have for you and I am going to add in your dictionary as well is slacker. Slacker कहते हैं एक lazy person को, एक slow इंसान को. A person who avoids work or puts in little effort. एक ऐसा person जो कि किसी भी काम करने को avoid करे किसी भी situation में और less effort put करे किसी भी काम में. So a person who is lazy and puts less effort in all the things. The example is he is known as a slacker in class, always late and never finishes his homework. The last word that I have for you is also amazing is busybody. Busybody means a person who likes to pokes his or her nose in others' affair. जो उसका काम नहीं है वो उसमें भी मतलब अपना जो है अपना मतलब कुछ ना कुछ. The last word that I have for you is busybody. Means a person who likes to poke nose in others' business. So someone who is too interested in others people's business. She is a real busybody, always asking questions about other people's lives. So in workplace, in offices, in different systems, organizations, we have this type of personality who likes to poke nose at all the time in other affairs, just go here and there, जिसको हर तरह की खबर होती है एंड मीन्स मेरे नज़दीक तो लुक बिजी डू नथिंग वाला सिस्टम हो जाता है कि लाइक्स टू सो इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ पर्सन जो कि हर किसी के मामले में ज़रूर इंटरफेयर करेगा. सो दिस इज फॉर टुडेज लेसन. आई होप कि आप सबको समझ आया होगा. So I will see you in the next video lesson. Thanks for watching. Now the word I have for you is know it all. Know it all is a person who acts like they know everything, but they are also annoying at times and they have not much knowledge, like they are blamed. The next word that I have for you is know it all. Know it all is a person who acts like they know each and everything, but in reality is different. So nobody likes a know it all. Sometimes it's okay to just listen. मीन्स हर वक्त एक्ट करना जरूरी नहीं होता कि हमें सब कुछ पता है. Sometimes we have to listen to the other person. Verbose. Verbose is a person who talks too much. They are actually a talkative person. Verbose is such a category in which the person who speaks much falls. So they use too many words to talk and they are too expressive also. The professor is very verbose. He could say in 5 minutes what takes him 20. मतलब जो अदर दूसरे लोग जो हैं जो बात 20 मिनट में कन्वे करेंगे, so the professor is so much talkative that he could say or he would convey all the information in just 5 minutes. So verbose मतलब एक तरह का कहा जा सकता है कि talkative type of person, motor mouth. So the last, I have a quiz for you. You have to guess the personality type. All the types of personalities we have discussed, and this person avoids work and puts in little effort. So ये कौन सी personality है इसको काम कम करना पसंद है और कम ही effort हर काम में put करना पसंद है. This person talks too much. This person is always worried. So don't forget to guess the words in the comment box, and I will be waiting for your comments. So this brings me to the end for today's lesson. Thanks for watching.